Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to access your V380 Pro camera when you're away from home. So guys, first step you need to make sure the camera is connected with your internet, guys. This is the first step. Make sure your camera is connected with your Wi-Fi. Guys, this is the first step. From here, make sure connect your Wi-Fi. You see it on the device Wi-Fi connection. This is the network, guys, as you can see here, the network setting, and this is the one. After that, guys, this usually through your home Wi-Fi network, and the camera is connected and accessed remotely using V380 Pro, and download the app. This is the sure, guys, you should be download this app from Apple Store or Play Store. And then, guys, log in your camera through your app by scanning a QR code. You see the QR code option from here. And then, guys, what you have to do, the QR code manually. And after that, guys, camera, you can view live footage, playback, recording, and adjust camera setting, access to remotely open V380 Pro app and select your camera, then view footage, control camera function, and also set up motion detection to get notification, guys, notification for this camera. So guys, this is how you can do when your camera detected this notification. And then, guys, if you want to access from home, follow this step and make sure it's connected with internet, as I say, and download the V380 Pro app and add your camera app and live footage, your playback recording, and adjust camera setting. Thanks, guys, for watching this video. See you on another video soon.